Welcome to Almay. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. Some users encountered this situation. Their computers are automatically deleting files. Here I summarized a few common causes for this problem so that you can fix it after understanding the causes. Number 1. Windows Storage Sense feature. The main reason for this problem is due to a feature of Windows called Storage Sense. If you turn on this feature, it will automatically delete unused files and temporary files when your computer is running low on disk space. It can also delete old files from the Downloads folder and Recycle bin to free up space. Number 2. Windows Defender. Another possible reason why your files are deleted is that Windows Defender thinks it is malware. Windows Defender's active protection may mistakenly threaten and delete your files, and consider them to be infected with malware. Number 3. Install the wrong Windows update. If you installed an incompatible or faulty Windows 10 update, the Storage Sense feature will remove or delete files from the computer. After understanding the reasons, keep watching to learn how to stop the computer from deleting files. Fix 1. Turn off Storage Sense. Open the settings. Click the System. Storage. You can switch the Storage Sense to off. If you don't want to disable this feature totally, you can reconfigure Storage Sense. Click the box and select Never. Also here, choose Never. Fix 2. Exclude files from Windows Defender. Open the Windows Security from Start menu. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll down to Exclusions and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click plus icon to add an exclusion, then specify the exact files, folders, or even file types that you don't want to get deleted or removed, and save the changes. Fix 3. Uninstall faulty updates. Press Windows plus R to open the wrong box and input Control Panel to open it. Click Programs, Programs and Features, and select View Installed Updates. Click here to sort the updates by dates. Locate and right-click on the large-sized major updates that you've recently downloaded, and select Uninstall. When it completes, restart your PC. The auto-delete problem will cause data loss. To better protect your data, you can choose a free and secure file backup software to backup your files regularly. Almay Backup Standard is a good choice that can help you backup your files against data loss due to system upgrade, system crash, careless deletion, virus attack. You can Google Almay Backup Standard to know more. Launch Almay Backup Standard. Then click Backup, File Backup. Click Add File or Add Folder, then select the files or folder you want to backup. Choose the destination for a backup. Confirm all your operations, and then click Start Backup. If you encounter this problem, you can try the methods mentioned in the video to help you. When your files are accidentally deleted, you can use this file backup to make a quick fix and then access all your data normally. Thanks for watching. Want to know more about Almay? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with your any issues.